Morning guys, I'm doing the last update for today, being the US dollar against Japanese yen pair next on our long-term time frame. You'll notice I've got four screens here, starting with the weekly, the bottom right, followed right up to our hourly intraday time frame here on the top left. Okay, this is going to be beneficial for you guys who are trading longer time frames. I'm just going to start with the weekly chart, and you'll notice that we are still in a very negative extension. You'll notice that this pair in particular over the past couple of weeks has been worried about this pair trading at an all-time low. I think it's 15 years. The US dollar is at a 15-year low against the Japanese yen, and it's subsequently becoming a real issue for these two countries, primarily because of the import and export on for these two countries. It'll be interesting to see how far it still falls. You'll notice after an initial breakout early last week or the week before, we've seen it fall even further. So yes, last week's fall was very, very negative, and that'll probably show up on our daily. Let me just bring up the daily time frame. Yep, you can see the intervention candle that we saw, which pretty much didn't stack up. A lot of institutions, a lot of investors were not all that overly clean with the intervention. The news behind it, the plan behind it just didn't stack up, and subsequently we've just seen it fall over. It just rolled over and it broke that level last week, and you could see that the last 3 days previously we've just been trading well below it. Easy to know that the start of the week we've seen quite a bullish candle to start with. It's still early days, but we could possibly see a pullback after a breakout. That might be mirrored on our 4-hour and hourly chart. Yes, you can see as we've been going, as the pair this morning, we saw it subsequently fell over on Sunday evening trading, but subsequently it's pulled all the way back again this morning. You can still the pair is still being dictated by the 50 period moving average. The trend line is still down, and ideally if you want this to trade higher, then it would need to break the previous support and resistance level here just above the, if I can get that up, it would have to break above 82,135 at least to show some more upside movement. Okay, so I need to break both the moving averages as well as this consolidation area we're seeing here. So there would be a no trade zone, and then we could look at 8,300 being our first target. Okay, so juicy hammer here. It's just formed because of that news, but that hammer will not stack up if the pair fails to stay above that area. So it's important it stays here, because you tend to see these hammer candlestick formations occurring at the bottom of trends. Could tell us a change in trend direction, but it won't stack up unless we don't see the pair trading higher in the next couple hours. So a break above this previous swing that we can see here, this area here, would confirm that hammer, and then we could look at targets being these areas. Okay, very, very important. Don't try and outsmart the market. Let the market make its move, and then we trade that. Okay, very important. So a break higher than 82.50 at least would see a pair trading higher to at least 8,300. So there's a possible target there. Sit on your fingers for now, and then look to see if you could trade higher at these levels. Failure to do so would see this fail break below the 8,200 mark. So we can see it breaking 81.86 or 8,200, then we could see it falling further. Hey guys, that's it. Keep your trading simple. Put your support and resistance levels in. Look at them as possible targets. Make sure that the strategy in particular falls in place before you trade either way. If you're looking for trades to the upside, guys, you're on your 30-minute and 5-minute. Look for those entry signals on either side. Okay, keep it simple, guys. That's the name of trade. Don't make it hard. The simpler you make it, the easier it can be to make your profits each day. Okay, trade serenely.